Assalamualaikum guys, it's Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today in my kitchen I am making fruit trifle. It's a very traditional dessert. It's a combination of custard, cream, jelly, cake and loads of fruits. Let's start. First we will check the ingredients. Whole milk 500 gram, sugar 1/3 cup, 4 egg yolks, corn flour 1/4 cup, vanilla extract half tablespoon, jelly, cake, fresh cream and butter, fruits apple, grapes, banana, pineapple, berries, etc. Now guys, first step is to start making custard. For this I took a saucepan and flame is low. All the time it will be low, and I will just heat the milk. In the meantime milk is getting warm. I will just add 4 egg yolk and sugar, and I will mix it in until it gets pale color. Now you can see the batter is fluffy and pale. Now I'll add vanilla extract, and I will pour cornstarch. Now I will add milk bit by bit to make little bit solution here. So look, and keep stirring your thing so egg is not gonna be cooked. Look. Now guys, you can see, and it's just milk is simmering, not on a boiling point at this time. Now keep mixing. You can see heat is on low. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see I'm just increasing heat little bit up. That's it. Medium to low. Minute I will get first boil, I will remove my saucepan from the stove. See, now done, job is done, cooking thing is done. So here, baby doll, I will keep mixing it until unless it's not gonna be little bit cool down. Otherwise you will get a thick layer on it, and which I don't want. Now at this stage I will add butter. See, you can immediately feel that the batter is getting shiny, smooth. Now guys, this is the time to assemble the cake and custard and all the fruits together. First I will do, you can see I just chop all my fruits, but I didn't chop apple and banana because at 11 hour otherwise they will be black. Now here guys, I won't make slices or cubes. What I gonna do, I will shred. So when you will eat, you feel the texture, but you don't know what is coming in your mouth. Now you can see I just spread custard on the cake. You can see I just chopped grapes in slices and I took seedless. So just spread randomly, yeah. Now you can see I just cut the shape from the jelly. The leftover I just make it. I just use fork to shred it. Now the second layer. At this layer I didn't put cream because I don't want too much cream, so I will just put cream on top. If you are you like cream, so you can add cream on every layer. And here you can see it's cake crumble. Why I did crumble? Because it's gonna soak all the extra liquid which fruits are gonna release. So next day when you will eat your custard, it won't be watery. It will be as it is, thick, creamy. Now it's time to add cream. Guys, here is my fruit trifle. I hope you will like it. The beauty of this dish is you don't need to copy as it is. The fruits which you can get easily from your shop or market, just use it. Eid is on the way. I hope you will try my recipe. If you try my recipe, please give me feedback. And guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe.